Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get alpha eggs in Primal Fear. Alpha eggs are crucial for hatching some of the most powerful creatures in the game, giving you a significant advantage. However, collecting them requires careful preparation and a strong taming force. You'll face formidable alpha dinosaurs guarding their nests, so understanding the process is key to success. Let's dive into the steps to safely acquire these valuable eggs. Before you even think about approaching an alpha nest, thorough preparation is essential. First, you'll need a very powerful flying creature, such as an alpha wyvern or a strong apex creature, to handle the threats. Ensure your chosen tame has a high level and is equipped with the best possible saddle and armor. Don't forget to bring plenty of medical brews and extra food to keep your creature healthy during the mission. Now, let's talk about finding those elusive alpha nests. These nests are typically located in the most dangerous, high-level areas of the map, often guarded by powerful alpha creatures. Use your flying mount to carefully scout the area from a safe distance, observing the terrain and the surrounding threats. Once you spot a nest, identify the specific alpha creature guarding the egg you desire, as this will dictate your approach. With the nest located, it's time for the collection strategy. The safest method is to lure the guarding alpha creature away from its nest. Once it's distracted and a sufficient distance away, quickly swoop in with your flying mount, grab the egg, and immediately fly away to safety. Be prepared for a chase, as the alpha will likely pursue you. Sometimes, a quick skirmish might be unavoidable, so stay vigilant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.